Barley Juice is a 21st century superfood drink that provides every nutrient necessary for survival, including proteins, all 8 essential amino acids, highly alkalizing minerals, and a whole range of vitamins. Barley Juice is the easy path to loading up on youth-enhancing, muscle-building, immune-strengthening ingredients with one drink. The health benefits of our Barley Juice. It helps reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. It also helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and blood clot. It also helps reduce blood cholesterol level. It helps promote healthy digestive system. It also helps women fight against gallstones. Helps reduce the risk of anemia. It also helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure and heart attack. It also helps promote weight loss. It helps relieve rheumatism and gout. It also helps strengthen bones and muscle, therefore reduce the risk of having osteoporosis. Helps strengthen the immune system and reduces the chances of cold and flu.